Here we have a 2017 17 plate BMW 330e M Sport. This car does come with the M Performance kit, which you'll see as we go around the vehicle. That includes this front splitter just here. We've also got the black kidney grills and LED lights. We've got four 19-inch alloys in excellent condition with M Sports brakes and blue calipers, as you might be able to see just down there. We've then got a charging port just down there, as this vehicle is a hybrid, so you will have ultra low running costs when driving this about. We've then got the rear privacy glass as well as black trim around the windows. We've got the side skirt just there, finished in black. And as we make our way round to the back of the car, you'll see we've got the black spoiler lip just here, which looks great, as well as the rear diffuser, twin exit exhaust. We have got front and rear parking sensors on this car, and as you can see, it is free from any major marks, dents, bumps or scratches. I'm now going to show you the interior, starting at the rear. We have got full leather throughout. We've got ISO fixed points, fold down armrests with two good sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, storage behind the front seats, and then on the doors we've got these lovely blue accents of the blue stitching as well as leather trim. We've then got the integrated speakers, storage and electric windows. As we go into the front, we've got the full leather again just here, and second side out of the wind. We've then got these blue accents of the blue stitching, electric windows with child lock, electric wing mirrors, premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system throughout. And then I'll start the car up, push of the button, and it's very quiet with it being a hybrid. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 45,300 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got the multifunctional steering wheel just here with speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls and volume controls, as well as paddle shifters for changing manually, auto high beam assist, automatic wipers and auto lights just down there as well. As we come into the middle, we've got the infotainment system just here. And what you can see at the moment is the navigation. We've then got different forms of media connectivity, DAB radio, telephone connectivity, and then if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have the front and rear sensors just there. Put the vehicle back into park, navigation. We do also have different driving modes. So starting at Eco, we've got, well, Eco Pro, we then move up to Comfort, Sport, and Sports Plus, which takes traction control off as well as does other changes. If we then move our way down, we've got the stereo controls as well as dual climate zone controls with air conditioning. Making our way down, we've got some extra storage underneath here with 12-volt connectivity. We've got a gear stick just here as well as the traction control, mode select, and a button to turn off the beeping on the parking sensors, as well as an e-drive button. We then move to the control wheel where we can control the infotainment system, and a leather armrest which also doubles up as storage. Another look at these leather seats with the lovely blue stitching just there as well. The vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive finance, fresh MOT, fresh service, and is also HPI clear. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of a 2017 BMW 330e M Sport. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. Start off, as now, I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep in a straight line, as you can see. But I'll then talk through some of the vehicle's features and show you that they work as they should. Cruise control, press this button, flip the switch up, and I'm now cruising at 55 miles an hour. To deactivate this, I'll simply press back and we're back to driving like normal. We've then got the paddle shifters just here. So we're in 6th gear currently, down into 5th, back up to 6th, and up to 7th. And we're just about to approach the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. This is a lovely place to be, very quiet in the cabin here. And of course this is a hybrid vehicle, so you also get extremely low running costs, which is always nice when you're doing long journeys. But yeah, it's very comfortable in here. I could happily spend 200, 300, 400 miles in here and get out feeling fresh. Here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the past 3 to 4 years, as well as next day nationwide free delivery for the last year and a half. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses, and still is doing today, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is that we'll sanitize our hands, sanitize the keys, and do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. This is basically to ensure both your own safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership here at RS Car Sales. If you look online, you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. And we really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us for your next vehicle purchase when the time is due. You can find us on social media. We are on Facebook and Instagram, so follow us on there to make sure you don't miss out on any stock or see what we're up to at RS Car Sales. I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and show you that the car reverses exactly how it should. Turning in just now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the brakes work very well. Put the vehicle into reverse. We have got the front and rear parking sensors there. All works exactly how it should. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with a vehicle. You'd want to come inside to see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously this isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, feel free to get in touch. We'd be more than happy to talk with you, maybe think about a part exchange. Just let us know the make, the model and the condition of the vehicle you wish to part exchange. And if there is anything we've missed in either the photos, the walk around video or this test drive, then feel free to get in touch and we'd be more than happy to do a FaceTime video call with yourself, walk around the car, show you any specific components, show you any specific features, or even just answer any specific questions. Just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.